Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed about pair of lines. So, already we discussed the angle between the pair of lines. Suppose the slopes of the pair of lines are in the ratio P is to Q. In the last class, we proved that P plus Q whole square by PQ equal to 4H square by AB. Okay, students. So the slopes are in the ratio P is to Q. Then we prove that P plus Q whole square by PQ equal to 4H square by AB. So this is when the slopes are in the ratio P is to Q. Then we show that P plus Q whole square by PQ equal to 4H square by AB. Okay, students. After that we prove that the angle between the lines cos theta equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. After that tan theta equal to 2 into root of h square minus ab by a plus b mod of a plus b. Sin theta is the students 2 into root of a square minus h square minus ab by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Now students, so here we observe find the acute angle between the pair of lines represented by the equation is given that. Now students, the given equation is, what is the given equation dear students? Y square minus xy minus 6x square. Now it is multiple with minus, this is 6x square plus xy minus of y square equal to 0. Okay students, now this is compare with, all of you compare with ax square plus 2h of xy plus by square equal to 0. Dear students, the value of a equal to 6 and the value of xy coefficient is the 2h, this is 1. Undoubtedly students, h value equal to 1 by 2. So then the y square coefficient is minus 1, here b equal to minus 1. So they are asking acute angle between the pair of lines. We know that the formulas, if theta is the acute angle between the pair of lines, we know that the formula of cos theta, sin theta and tan theta. Therefore, what is the cos theta is the students, cos theta equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Dear students, here the cos theta equal to the value of a plus b. A plus b is the students, a is the 6, b is the minus 1. Then it is the 6 minus 1 in modulus upon 6 minus of minus plus 1, 6 plus 1 whole square. The 4h square is the students 2h whole square. The 2h whole square is the students 1. Now this is the students 5 by under root. Here this is 7 square 49 plus 150. Dear students, this is we can written as 5 by 25 twos are. The 25 twos are 50. Therefore square root of 25. Root of 25 is the 5 into root 2. Therefore students, this is the value of cos theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is the value of cos of 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees. Therefore students, theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. This is the acute angle between the pair of lines. Write down students. So here students, find the value of each. If the slopes of the lines are represented by the equation 6x square plus 2hxy plus y square equal to 0 are in the ratio 1:2. So we know that, dear students, we know that the slopes of the pair of lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 are in the ratio m:n. Are in the ratio m:n, then we know that m plus n whole square by mn equal to 2h whole square by ab. Dear students, here the m:n, the ratio of the slopes is given by 1:2. This is what the ratio of the slopes are given by 1:2. Therefore students, the m:n is the value 1:2. Therefore 1:2, that implies 1 plus 2. Undoubtedly, my dear students, when we are taking 1k plus 2k, that is 1k plus 2k is the 3k. Therefore 3k whole square is the students 9k square. This is a 9. So now 1k into 2k is the 3k square. Therefore k square is cancelled. This is 3. 1 plus 2 whole square is the 9. Here this is the 1k into 2k is the students 2k square. This is 2. Is it clear? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 square is 9. 1 into 2, 2. K square is cancelled. Dear students, we have to compare with here. This is what A is the 6. A value equal to 6 and B value is the 1. Now students, the 2h whole square is there. Here that is a 4h square. Now here the AB is the students 6. So my dear students, here the value of h square, the value of h square equal to, just you can observe 9 into 6 by here, this is the 2 into 4. Is it clear students? How to write the h square equal to 9 into 6 by 2 into 4. This is undoubtedly students 2 1s are 2 3s are. So my dear students, the value of h equal to plus or minus 9 into 3 by 4. We know that root of 9 is the 3. Root 9 is the 3. Root 4 is the 2. That equal to students plus or minus 3 into root 3 by 2. This is the value of h. So all of you apply this formula, m plus n whole square by mn equal to 2h whole square by ab. This is the first form. Another method is also there. When we are taking, my dear students, the m1 equal to k and the m2 equal to 2k, then you can apply the formula sum of the slopes equal to minus of 2h by b and the product of the slopes a by b. Then you can apply these formulas. Undoubtedly the value of h, we got the value of h equal to plus or minus of 3 into root 3 by 2. Okay students, this is for if the slopes are in the ratio 1:2, then we find the constant value h by taking the m plus n whole square by mn equal to 4h square by ab. All of you write down. So dear students, if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square represents the two straight lines such that the slope of the one line, dear students, the slope of the one line is the twice of the slope of the other. So given that the slope of the first line is m1 is the twice of the second line, that is 2 into m2. Is it clear, students? The slope of the first line, the slope of the one line is twice of the slope of the other. m1 equals to 2 into m2. Now students, the m1 by m2 equal to 2 by 1. So this is the students m1 is to m2. Undoubtedly students, 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Therefore students, we know that the slopes are in the ratio m is to n. The slopes are in the ratio m is to n. Then we know that m plus n whole square by mn equal to 2h whole square by a into b. This is the form. If the slopes of the two pair of lines are in the ratio m is to n, then we take m plus n whole square by mn equal to 2h whole square by ab. Now students, the m plus n whole square, the m plus 1 whole square is the 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, that is a 2k plus k, 3k, that is 9k square. This is the students 9k square by 2k square, k square is cancelled. Therefore, after that students, 2h whole square. What is the 2h whole square is? Dear students, the 2h whole square is the undoubtedly 4h square by a into b, ab. So after the cross multiplication, we got of the cross multiplication, that is 8h square equal to 9 into ab. So this is the students, when the slopes are in the ratio 2 is to 1, the pair of lines represented by the two lines here, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, represented by two lines having the slopes are in the ratio 2 is to 1, then we got the condition is 8h square equal to 9ab. Okay students, write down. Dear students, the product of the perpendiculars from the point alpha comma beta to the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So dear students, the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we know that this is represents a pair of lines. So the given equation is represents a pair of lines. The given equation represents the pair of lines are L1x plus M1y equal to 0, and another line is L2x plus M2y equal to 0. My dear students, these two are passing through the origin. Since the given equation represents the pair of lines, this is also passing through the origin. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is passing through the origin. Therefore, this equation is represents the lines are also passing through the origin. The combined equation of the 1 and 2. The combined equation of the 1 and 2 means the product of these two equations. So dear students, the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square can be expressed as L1x plus M1y into L2x plus m2y. So dear students, equating the coefficients, same coefficients. Here the x square coefficient is L1 L2. So dear students, L1 L2 is the coefficient of x square is the a. Now the students xy coefficient is L1 M2. This is L1 M2 xy, L2 M1. So students, the coefficient of xy is L1 M2, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 equal to, here the xy coefficient is the 2h. After then students, the coefficient of y square is, this is what, m1 into m2 y square. Therefore students, m1 into m2 equal to, the coefficient of y square is the b. So this is L1 L2 equal to small a, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 equal to 2h, and M1 M2 equals to b. So here they are asking the product of the perpendiculars from alpha beta to the pair of lines is. So the pair of lines, we know that the pair of lines are passing through the origin. Okay. So we are taking the alpha beta be a point. So first we are find the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the second line, and also students, we are find the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the second line. So everybody know that the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the first line, the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the first line is, what is the form? The perpendicular distance from x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a1 square plus b1 square. Now students, this is the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the equation 1. So all of you listen here, the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the first line, that equals to the 1. Equation 1 is the students, substituting x equal to alpha, y equal to beta, that is L1 alpha plus M1 beta. Now student, this is L1 alpha plus M1 beta root of L1 square plus M1 square. This is the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the equation 1, that is L1 alpha plus M1 beta by root of L1 square plus M1 square. Similarly students, the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the equation 2, how to write this is, we can write simply L2 alpha plus M2 beta in modulus by root of L2 square plus M2 square. So dear students, the perpendicular distance from alpha beta to the second equation, similarly we find the L2 alpha plus M2 beta by root of L2 square plus M2 square. Here they are asking product of the perpendiculars. They are asking only the product. So now the product of the perpendiculars, the required product, how to write the students? The required product is, undoubtedly students, the required product of the perpendiculars, from alpha beta to the pair of lines represented by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now we take the product of these two, that is the students L1 alpha plus M1 beta by root of L1 square plus M1 square into L2 alpha plus M2 beta by root of L2 square plus M2 square. Now the simplification. So students, first we have to multiple with numerator, first multiple with L1. So dear students, the product of L1 alpha with this one L1 L2 alpha into alpha square. After then alpha into beta, that is L1 M2 alpha beta. Now this is multiple with this one L2 M1 alpha beta is the common factor. Now the second term is multiple with the last term m1 m2 beta square. This is the multiplication in the numerator. Now students, in the denominator is, now we have to multiple with first L1 these two, that is L1 square L2 square and L1 square M2 square. After that student, M1 square is multiple with these two, that is L2 square M1 square, then M1 square M2 square. This is okay students. So now we can written as, this is, we know that L1 L2. So what is the students L1 L2? We know that the L1 L2 is the small a. So everybody know that this is the small a alpha square. L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is given the 2h, that is a 2h alpha beta. After then the value of M1 M2 is the students b beta square, that is in modulus. Now students, in the first term, in the last term is there L1 square L2 square and M1 square M2 square. So this is the students we can written as L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square. All of you listen here. This is a square, this is the a square and a b square. After then students, we can written as L1 M2 plus L2 M1. All of you listen here. How to write the denominator? Everybody observe here. A square is here first term, b square is the last term. After that here a square is the second term, L1 square M2 square. B square is the students this term, L2 square M1 square. Here minus 2ab, that is minus 2 L1 L2 M1.